What's up, you guys?
I'm Matt.
And I'm Adi. Welcome back to our channel.
Come to Curaçao with us.
For the second time. We made it, and our next challenge is the line for immigration. 40 minutes later, we finally got through the line, and she told us we could have gone through the E-gate the whole time and cut the lines. We made it! We're here! I'm officially obsessed with this place. Look at our room. It's lofted ceilings, the most amazing decor, so cute.
Oh, it's a view of that, so it's so nice.
Cheers, Matt.
I have attention of everybody.
We're checking out Taqueria Maya, and we're trying the Flor de Jamaica Aguas Frescas. When we were exploring Costa Rica, we tried their frutas, and this is pretty similar to that. It's like a homemade juice here. So let's give it a taste. It's like cherries. What do you think?
It's interesting, like a cherry lemonade.
Yeah, I like that. We just finished dinner and it was delicious. Now we're gonna head back. I think we're gonna go back to our hotel, maybe put on our bathing suit and then swim, or we might talk ourselves out of it and just hit the hay.
Sounds like that's what we're trying to do.
And tomorrow's a new day, and we'll
Check
explore
out,
then.
We Were Liars, maybe.
We might be watching a little We Were Liars. All right, let's hit it.
Let's get it. It's just a metal thing, too.
I highly recommend you get the room with the balcony if you stay here, because the fresh air that you get from sitting on this balcony or just being outside is 10 out of 10. Like, you're on the water pretty much, and it's just, it feels amazing. We're also here in August. It's pretty hot, but the breeze keeps it cool. It is Thursday morning. We just woke up and we're gonna go catch breakfast at the other hotel. I just wanted to show you guys the view from our balcony in the morning. It is so beautiful and colorful. We also have a view of Queen Juliana Bridge right here. And that is the tallest bridge in the Caribbean. Our taxi driver told us that it is over 50 meters tall. So the property is right behind me. You can't see it right now, but it's next to this dark blue building behind me. And then in front of me is their sister building. So if you're staying at the hotel and you're getting breakfast or you want to use the pool, you're going to be going to their sister property, which is right behind.
Egg salad. Yeah? The ham, the cheese, the breads, yogurt, the crusty, apple juice, orange juice, and the things for the crusty, the tea, the honing, sugar, and it is the machine for the coffee.
This is Hotel Klooster, and it's so beautiful. They have a garden in the middle, which is so gorgeous, and then the pool on the other side. Matt and I were swimming at the pool on the property earlier, and it was the perfect temperature, both out of the pool but also the pool water. It was just so nice and very relaxing. We met someone from the Netherlands. His name was Rowan. He was pretty cool.
We just had a nice Italian dinner at a restaurant called Mi Familia, and it was literally across from the one we were eating at last night. I got a pizza. She got an Alfredo. A glass of wine, and you can't go wrong with Italian.
It was so good.
Just as good as anywhere.
Yeah, it was really good. Thursday night must be their rowdy night because everybody's parked up on the sidewalks like this. And I think it's so funny. We found ourselves stumbling back on a road and found this beach.
Ooh, sweaty.
Cheers. We snorkeled and saw so many amazing fish, so I got out to get my GoPro, and of course this was right when the clouds got in front of the sky, but don't worry, we have amazing footage at our next spot. We just got drinks and we're enjoying the view. The sun's about to set and it's so beautiful here. It's the perfect temperature and the perfect vibe. Dinner was so good. We both had leftovers, so we're gonna go bring it back to the hotel, swim a little bit, and then finish our leftovers. The hotel gave us a bottle of champagne, so we're gonna enjoy the bottle of champagne with the rest of our leftovers a little bit later in the night. And I think we're gonna go for a little walk and then head to the pool.
Absolutely. Let's do it.
Guys, it's Saturday morning and we have a taxi meeting us in just about 2 hours to take us to Cas Abao. So come with us for a walk around Curaçao before we head to Cas Abao, which is about 45 minutes by taxi and a little bit more north. I know how ridiculous I look. I don't care. It's a little chilly. Okay. It's so crazy because the waterway out there is like normal blue and then the water here is like crystal beautiful clear. There's a fish right here! This is so cool. Okay, let's go. Ready? I'm dunking with all my fish friends. Oh god. Okay, they're all Matt and I came to Cas Abao for the first time last year on a cruise, and we visited again today. It is just such a great time here.
Crystal clear waters, beautiful tropical fish, and white sand is your vibe, then Curaçao's for you.
also has food and bathrooms and massages and a dive shop if you guys are interested in that. So it's full service, all the amenities. Definitely worth it. We're leaving Cas Abao, which is one of our favorite beaches, and we're heading back to town. Resting up after a full day in the sun at Cas Abao, and I am headed to Blackjack again to get our favorite tuna appetizer for the 3rd time. You can tell we're creatures of habit. Last night in paradise here in Curaçao, and we just finished our last swim at the pool before we're gonna go back to the room and maybe watch something before we hit the hay on our last night. Thank you. We were delayed a little while because they had to refuel the jet before they came to get us, so they just told us that the plane is going to wait for us and take us to Miami and send it to the so my first time to Dominican Republic. Almost home. It was such an amazing trip, from the water in Curaçao to our hotel to the people. It was just such a great time, and I'm just recapping it in my head this whole flight. I just cannot wait to get home and go through some of the footage and see, like, relive this entire thing. It's just been such a great trip, and can't wait to see you again in Curaçao.